Okay, so I'm Natasha Conway and my business is Traffic Snap. I have a stand just over there and I've come to the Traffic and Lead Gen Bootcamp to get a bit more exposure around my new business and to learn a shitload about traffic and generating leads. Wonderful, yeah, really informative. There was plenty of content to learn from people on stage, so there was quality sort of guests like Tom Smith, Tom Breeze, he was a key one for me. So I think for his first seminar it's gone fantastically well. So this seminar's helped my branding because it's helped me understand the importance of things like YouTube advertising. I work in sort of Facebook advertising anyway, but the content that Tom provided just kind of brings home again the key bits that every business should be considering, and the points that James touched on about how important it is if you have got a business to have a Facebook business group so that you can provide higher quality content and engage better with the people who are further engaged with you as a business. So some key areas really that sometimes every now and again you need a bit of a sort of home call to say look at it again and assess what you're doing at the moment.